the sight of an airliner exploding. But NASA and the FAA believe in order to prevent an accidental disaster, you have to create an intentional one. In the name of science, the two agencies teamed up to demolish a Boeing 720. The goal is to gather crucial information that will lead to safer air travel. To make sure that the test is comprehensive as possible, they set up a runway to ensure total devastation. Railroad trap rocks cover the landing pad, so the sparks will fly when the plane's belly skids across the tarmac. Next, jagged barriers are cemented into the runway in an effort to shear off the wings, cut fuel lines, and tear through engines. Lastly, the fuel tanks are filled to capacity. Pilots, via remote control, take the unmanned plane up to 2,300 feet and then bring it in for a crash landing. It's obvious there's no intention of lowering the landing gear. A second angle shows the wing cutter ripping through one of the engines and igniting the jet fuel. The flames are so intense, the camera mounted on the tail section fries. But inside the fuselage, the crash test dummies are just rattled around. Amazingly, the flames and smoke are unable to penetrate the fuselage. Outside, the plane is a raging ball of fire. A fire that's allowed to burn for well over an hour. When the smoke finally clears, scientists gather vital information that will be used for generations. It's because of studies like these that air travel today is one of the safest forms of transportation.